I got a box. I got some crystals off of the TikTok shop from a shop named the Enchanted Healer. So another fellow TikTok shop owner. And it came in this super pretty box. I'm so excited to open it up. And gosh, guys, her deals were so good. So good. So I'm excited to see the crystals. Let's unbox it. Okay, look, this is so cute. It's a special delivery. So cute. All right, so I got rid of the bubble wrap and I've got a little Planters Peanuts. Love that. Here's my little slip. Look how cutely packaged it is. It says, thank you. And it smells like incense. So she definitely cleansed my crystals for me. It says Enchanted Healer. And then all of her information there. And then a little card. Oh, it says Mountains of Thanks. Oh my gosh, is this seed paper? Girl, what? I'm a gardener, girl. I'm going to plant this. Thank you so much for your order. Wishing you all the luck, abundance, prosperity. Okay, I'm not sure what happened with... My little phone was like, you have 20% battery. So it's gone now, and we're back. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Let's see here. Oh, is this more bubble wrap? Okay. Oh, we've got a little Palo Santo stick and a selenite. This is a freebie. Oh, that's a nice freebie. Thank you. And then here they are. Okay, so I bought some tumbles. And these are like, they're so big. Like, they're like bigger than any of the tumbles that I own. But this is a red, I think this is a red jasper. So cute. I love the little indents on this here. It looks like little eyelashes. So cute. And then I got 2 golden healers, which I don't even have. Gosh, the quality of these are so good. Oh, this has like little specks of I don't even know, but it looks like gold flakes. So cute. And then this is a lemon citrine. I don't own any stones is pretty, any tumbles is pretty. So cute. There's even more in here and I didn't even order these. What's going on? Oh no, I did order this. I think I did. Let's move this. Move this here. Move this here. Okay. Oh, I'll come back. All right. What is this? I don't think I ordered this. I think this is another freebie. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. I'm going to have to look at her shop. And I think she made a packing video for me to figure out what this is. So cute. Here's another one and I'm going to undo it. I'll be right back. Okay, let's open it up. This is what I ordered. It's a rose quartz tower. So pretty. Oh, I love it. Look at that band straight through the middle. So pretty. Love it. Yeah, she totally cleansed this for me. And I think she sets intentions for the crystals. And you can just tell her what intention you want. There's one more thing in the box. I also don't think I ordered this. There's so many freebies. Oh, so cute. I don't know what this is. Green Aventurine? It's so dark if it is. I don't own anything this pretty if it is. But so cute. I love hearts. So yeah, I bought these. I think the tumbles were $3. I mean, they're so big. This is not a regular tumble. They're so big. Look at the size of these. So they were $3 each. And then I think this one might have been 8 or 15. I'm not quite sure. 10. I'm not sure. But then I got all these great freebies. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. And yeah, check out her shop. And then if you want to see, if you want to get the same things I did, check it out right there. Bye. Thanks for unboxing it with me.